Hey friends, if you wish to hide a folder in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now we have one folder here and I wish to hide it. But I cannot simply change the settings and hide it because it is set to be visible. So first of all, right click on it and select show more options. Then click properties. We have a switch for hidden here. Make sure that this checkbox is checked. Then click on apply. Then click on apply these changes to folders and subfolders. I usually select this one because otherwise it's meaningless. So click on OK and click on OK here, and it has been hidden. Now why has it been hidden? Because the default settings are to hide all folders which are set as hidden, and files too. But if you want it to appear, then click on show and then check hidden files and it will appear. But you notice that the texture is a little lighter than usual. I mean, this is brighter, this is lighter, it is dull, and that is to signify that these folders are hidden. It makes them appear a little different. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.